Welcome to solverfy.
This will be a really long question. For solving part A, for a 2.5 nanometer quantum dot, the diameter of the crystal is 2.5 nanometer. A dot can be considered a sphere having a volume of 4 by 3 pi r cube, where r is the radius. We convert the diameter into centimeter by using an approximate conversion factor. So 2.5 nanometer will be equals 2.5 into 10 raised to power minus 7 centimeter. Further along, we calculate the volume of spherical dot of the diameter using 4 by 3 pi r cube. The volume turns out to be 8.2 into 10 raised to power minus 21 centimeter cube. Now we know the formula for density is equal to mass per unit volume. Using this parameter, we can calculate the mass, which turns out to be 4.8 into 10 raised to power negative 20 grams. Option B. The mass of quantum dot is 4.8 into 10 raised to power minus 20 grams. The molar mass is 191.39. So we can calculate the number of molecules as follow. There are total of 151 molecule have. Therefore, number of cadmium in CDSE quantum dot will also be 151. Option C. For a 6.5 nanometer quantum dot, the diameter of the crystal is 6.5. The dot can be considered as pair with the volume of 4 by 3 pi r cube. We convert the nanometer into centimeter, which gives us the value of 6.5 into 10 raised to power negative 7 centimeter. From that, we can calculate the volume, which turns out to be 141 1.4 into 10 raised to power negative 19 centimeter cube. Density is equal to mass per unit volume. Rearranging this formula, we can determine the mass, which turns out to be 8.4 into 10 raised to power negative 19. Lastly, the mass of quantum dot has been obtained and the molar mass is 191, from which we can determine the number of molecules. We know that molar mass or one empirical molar mass will have 6.02 into 10 raised to power 23 molecules, that is Avogadro's number. Using unitary method, we can determine that there are 2.6 into 10 raised to power 3 molecules in total. The number of cadmium will be 2.6 into 10 raised to power 3 also, from which we can determine the ratio between two quantum dots, which turns out to be 18 quantum dots of 2.5 nanometer will make one dot of 6.5 nanometers.